What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Brittany Automotive. Before I start this video, I want to preface it by saying my new merch line is officially out. LT swap everything. It's available in black tees, gray tees, and hoodies. So come check it out at BrittanyAutomotive.com. Link is in the description. But watch my video first. Come check out the new rig and see what happened to the F150. I didn't realize how windy it was outside when I recorded these two videos of the F150, so we're just going to talk about it a little bit because I don't want to bore you too much. I want to get to that beautiful GMC right next to it. But let's just talk about it real quick because you guys need an update. Obviously, we all know that I lost turbos, question mark. We changed one and it seems to be doing fine now. So the brakes are back. We got a new brake booster, vacuum pump. That we got one of those, changed that out. I had wonderful help from an ex-Ford tech, thank the Lord Jesus for that. Now we're debadging it, and I'm going to call it debadging it because this was the badge that everybody knew was Brittany Automotive's truck. I get honked at for it all the time. I get waved at for it all the time. Even when I don't have a Camaro, people know that this truck is mine. So we're taking that off because I'll be damned if somebody is driving around with my stripes on their truck and they do something stupid and somebody comes back at me like it was me, that ain't happening. Everything that I get that I put stripes on is coming off before it gets sold. So we got to take those off, and then I'm going to go send it to the dealership and pray to the Lord. Oh, there goes my camera. As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, pray to the Lord that the dealership at least gives me a little bit of cash. Because I just brought a brand new freaking Denali. So let's go look at that. Because I'm tired of this F-150. She's so beautiful. Look at her. Ignore those. There's only a couple things that I don't like about this truck. I think I'm going to paint match the grille and any of the chrome on the front. I want to get fogged headlights and fogged taillights. We're definitely changing these. Thank you to Custom Offsets because they are on board for wheels and tires, and new shocks because those are no bueno. It's extremely windy outside and there's construction across the street, so like worst time to do a YouTube video, but here we are. This truck is from Ohio, so I drove 4 hours to go get it. So the dealer definitely knew that I was buying it, and I was 100% set on it. There was things that I probably would have overlooked and just didn't care about and would have fixed on my own if like the shocks. The price was way too good, and I drove 4 hours for it in a snowstorm, so I was leaving with this truck no matter what. I will say that whoever owned this truck, it was either a pavement princess, which is highly doubtful in Ohio with how much salt they use. I think he kept it in the garage majority of the time. I don't think it was dailied, and I think it was more like, this is what we take for our RV. It's giving old man. It's giving old man, old woman, something. The way that it was taken care of was shocking to me, and it's just such a nice truck for the price that I got it for. I don't even want to tell you how much it was because you guys might be a little mad that I got it for that cheap. But I will say the only thing that this person needs to learn is to never take your vehicle through the county toothbrush. Why do you people do that on a black truck, a black Denali? I'm so irritated about that. But they did debadge it too, which I'm a little salty about because I bought a Denali. And nobody buys a Denali to not tell everybody they have a freaking Denali, okay? So I'm going to buy badges for it. Going to go get ceramic coated and detailed very, very well in the middle of March because let me just show you what it looks like. You think that you can't... Oh, man, you can see all my trash right there. Ignore that. But it's like... It's really hard to see. Okay, you can see it. You can see all like the spider web looking things. It is all the way down the truck and it like swoops. You can see that sucker county toothbrush all the way down it. Obviously I've already gotten this thing dirty, but let's just check out some of the stuff. I didn't bring my keys, but we have a steering wheel heater. I'm not used to that. Then we got butt heater and fan, which I had the butt heater on my F-150, but my fans were broken. I also have air conditioning and heat, which I didn't have in the truck because the air conditioner was broken. It's parking assist, which is sick. Driving assist, I'm not a huge fan because it vibrates my butt too much. It's got something for the hill. It's got an exhaust brake, which is freaking sick. This is my favorite part. There's a light to the tailgate. Thank the Lord Jesus's. But yeah, it's a Denali. Look at it. I own a Denali. How sick is that? Also, I'm determined to never take a selfie or video or TikTok or anything without sitting like this. On the real, you guys are probably going to ask if I'm putting stripes on this thing, and I'm very... What's that word? I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to. I don't know if I want to. This thing looks so good black. And the F-150 made sense with the orange stripes because it was an F-150. But this is a Denali. It's a Denali. Who puts stripes on a Denali? I'm very torn. Very torn. So comment down below if I should put stripes on my Denali. It'll be obviously orange. I think I'm going to put my logo right there just like I had it in the F-150. And maybe a couple other things, not much. I want to keep this thing as clean and black as possible. Also, it's got the little step rails things down here. They're chrome. They're ugly. But I will say, in my F-150, when I took them off, I started sliding my butt right here when I would get out. And it broke off the plastic piece on my seat. And not only that, it also like rubbed the leather raw. Is that... I don't know. I don't want to do that in this truck. So I think I'm going to take these off and then get the black ones that are like a black bar and then it's just got a single step down, because it's nice to not have to slide out of your vehicle and jump. And it's also nice to have a railing, but not that gaudy railing. I'm not a huge fan. So we're going to get rid of that. If you guys have any tips or anything that you think I should do to this truck, not mechanically, because I got the mechanical part settled. We're not going to talk about that though. If you guys have any ideas or with the stripes or decals or anything like that, let me know. But I am going to be adding this one decal, so let me go show you. So I think this will look good. Oh, there's a spider on me. Okay, I'm back. There was a spider on me. But I think this will look good in the middle window. And then this one is actually available for purchase on my website. We're going to get rid of the dealers thing. I think we're going to put it right there, because it's a good reminder. Don't quit your daydream. You can own a Denali too. One thing I'm a big fan of, and I don't know if it's because of the trim package or if GM does this or what, I am not a professional, especially on OEM stuff, but they actually have nice sleeving here, which I enjoy. As somebody that's wired a vehicle, I enjoy that. And it's literally on pretty much every hose you could dream of. It's on all the hoses, and then some of the wiring, obviously you got your plastic crap here, but like most of it's good. And then this is nice. It's only on this side, it's not on that side, and I'm unsure why, but it's just a nice protector for this crossbar here. It's just way nicer. I think the most amount of plastic is over here, and it's all ran very discreetly, so it's not sitting on the top of the engine over there, and I just like that. I don't know if it's because of the trim package or what, but big fan of this. I know the past 2 days have been like a complete 180 of my usual content. There are no Camaros, it's just been trucks. There will be a couple more videos on this truck, changing the wheels and tires and the shocks, and maybe a couple other cosmetic things. But besides that, I am so excited to start working on the Camaros again. I have a deadline I have to reach, and it's stressing me out. Next weekend, I'll be in Vegas. Thank you to the city of Vegas for that. We are going to go to the NASCAR race and hang out in Vegas. But I also want to say a huge thank you to you guys. Not only do all of these companies make it happen, but you guys watching my videos, you guys buying my merch, you guys supporting me, even with a like and a comment, whatever it is. I know that sounds cliche, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'm not going to say that, but that does help me. It does help me a ton, and I couldn't express to you guys enough how thankful I am for you and how thankful I am for all of your support. There's so much nastiness in this world, and it hits me a little too hard because I don't like seeing it, and I don't like hurting people's feelings, and I don't like other people's feelings being hurt, whether it's from me or not. So be a kind human, please. This is your friendly reminder to be kind today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next week. I got a new Denali.